So, when is the best time to post on TikTok? Well, I've got the right website where we can learn all about the posting times. As you can see, there is this graph right here, the TikTok Global Engagement Graph. The darker tiles represent higher engagement, and the lighter tiles represent lower engagement. So, here is the summarization. The best time to post is Tuesdays 4 to 6 p.m., Wednesdays 9 to 11 a.m., and 2 to 6 p.m., Thursday the same time 9 to 11 and 2 to 6, and Fridays on 4 to 6 p.m. The best day to post Wednesdays and Thursdays, and the worst day is on Sunday. But if you do plan on posting every single day, like every day of the week, even though the Sunday is the worst day to post, here is another graph. On Monday, you should post during 3 to 6 p.m. On Tuesday, it's 4 to 6 p.m. On Wednesday, it's 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. and 1 to 6 p.m. So if you want to upload twice, you can do that. And on Thursday, it's 9 to 11 p.m. and 2 to 6 p.m. Friday, 4 to 6 p.m. Saturday, 9 a.m. to noon. And Sunday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if you do decide on posting on Sunday, even though it's the worst day, you have to upload it within 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. to have the best engagement. If you want a more proper way of looking for the best engagement, here is the graph. You can pause the video if you want to, or go to sproutsocial.com so that you can see this graph and much more because they go in depth on different locations like the UK or the US and which is the best time to post. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.